Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel C33 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again in order to find the build number. All we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Now we can go back to the general settings and enter the system. Here we've got the developer options, so let's enter, and as you can see we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the app, so we can turn on the option to don't keep activities, we can show surface updates, we can change the window animation scale, show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking because we've got the Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So a lot of options. And if you want to turn on the option, basically it works just like in the regular settings. So just tap on the switcher to activate the option and turn it off just by tapping on the switcher again. If you've got the options without the switcher, for example like here in this Bluetooth option, simply tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on the switcher at the top. It is pinned right here, and as you can see most of the options will be inactive, most of them, not all, and after getting back to the system settings they should disappear, but of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.